Stella from Fayi. In case you don't know, Fayi is Greek for food. So today I'm showing you how to make a mosaic roll. I'm going to throw in some, I've just got some like arrowroot biscuits that you can just chop up. You can use different types of like malt biscuits as well if you like. Let me just get all these into the bowl. And I'm just going to chop those ones up quickly. So I'll just show you that. That's just chopped up a little bit. And then I'm going to set that aside and put my other bowl on. And then I'm going to get the meringue on. So I'm using my butterfly and I'm just going to pop that onto my blades. Now it goes behind the hump and just click it in. So if you pull it up, it shouldn't be able to hop off. In case you didn't know or you're new to Thermomix. Now I am adding some egg whites, a pinch of salt and some sugar straight into the bowl. And I'm going to get that mixing. So I'm just scraping down the sides. And then I'm just going to put that on for another minute. Beautiful. So I've got another minute. 37 degrees. Speed 3.5. And I'm actually going to add the icing sugar in as well. I'm just going to pour it through the top because I've got to add it before I turn it on. Now, let me tell you what I'm doing. I'm going to set aside the meringue. Now I'm going to put it in my large bowl because at the end, everything's going to get mixed in this big bowl. So I'm just going to take out my butterfly. And then you can see the meringue is just a really simple meringue. It's very, very small amount, but it just makes it a little bit more fluffy at the end. So I've just got cubed butter, and make sure you chop it up a little bit so it actually can melt. And then I'm just going to add it to my bowl. And then give that one a melt. Now, I'll add the, like I said, the cocoa, the icing sugar. Let's just add it all in. Bit of a mess, cook I am. Egg whites, vanilla, extract, or whatever you want to use. And then I'm just going to blend that up. Here we go. Did it all come out? Yeah. And then I'm just going to quickly blend that up. Let me show you that. See that? That's all it needs to be. See how it's just coated? It looks a little bit weird at the moment, but once you add it in and fold it in, so add it to your meringue and literally you're just going to fold it in. All right, beautiful. Add that in. Let's fold this all together. So you just want to sort of fold the meringue. And that should do the trick. Beautiful. Now let me show you this. See, it's just sort of mixed through. It's like gone a little bit lighter. That's all it needs to be. You can just put it in a pan, put the plastic in there and then put it inside. But when I'm making a really long roll, I sometimes just do it on the bench. So let me put that in so I can show you how I do it. So I just pour it. This bowl's really heavy. So I'll put it in like the middle and just like a snake sort of thing, but leave a little bit on the edges. You need a little bit of room on the edges. Otherwise you're not going to be able to roll it out. And make sure the biscuits are all the way through and you haven't just got liquid, because otherwise you're going to get pieces without enough biscuits. And just try and get out as much as you can. All right, easy as that. Okay, so you can hopefully see that. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna fold it so that it's covered on both sides. You can double glad wrap this. I'm not gonna just because it's on the video. But then what you do is once you've double glad wrapped it, grab the ends like this. Okay, so make sure the top is actually sealed because otherwise it's just going to go everywhere. That's why I like to double seal it, but I won't today. And then just roll it. But yeah, I would set this in the freezer. You can set it for just a couple of hours if you're going to serve it as a log. If you're going to cut them up and put the chocolate on top, you definitely need to set it overnight.